If anyone wants to ask any sort of question, you guys can ask or write it in the chat box and I'll respond. I believe that there are no questions. Should I okay, I think there's a question. Okay, I believe I've answered the gamma one. If I hope that answers your question. If you want, Daniel, I can share the link of gamma AI with you so that you can I can share that within the group so that you can test it out as per your convenience. Any question from anyone else? Okay, over to you. Okay, I believe that there no worries at all, Daniel. Over to you, Mas, if you're here.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are doing well. I am Dr. Hoor, Managing Director at DICE Institute, and I will be walking you through the course overview and what to expect from this program. Let me share the screen. Wait. Give me a minute. I'm going to share my screen and then start my part of it. Can you guys see the screen?
Yes.
So basically जो हमारा ये डिप्लोमा प्रोग्राम है it's divided into 2 semesters 6 months each. More or so इसको 1 year लगेगा for completion और this course is designed for dentist जो बिल्कुल beginner level पे एआई को सीखना चाहते हैं उनका कोई प्रायर एआई का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. सो इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस इसमें हम सारे बेसिक लेवल से आपको सब कुछ ए टू जी सिखाएंगे एंड बाय द एंड ऑफ द प्रोग्राम यू विल हैव इंटरमीडिएट स्किल सेट. Our teaching model is very flexible and manageable. Classes will be held every alternative weekend of the month. Each cycle is going to include one hands-on lab session and one focused theory session. So there will be total of 4 contact sessions per month, and we are going to provide you with the recorded lectures in case you miss any session. A major strength of this program is that it is heavily hands-on. You will not learn just the concepts, but you will also get to practice them साथ with each lab session, and it's going to gradually build your skill from basic to intermediate level. And by the end of this, you will be able to apply AI tools confidently in your clinical and research settings. और assessment structure is balanced and supportive. So basically इसका point ये है कि जो भी चीज़ आप सीख रहे हो in the diploma, you are able to reproduce it and you are able to reinforce it and utilize it to see if you have actually gotten the thing that is being taught. By the end of the session, you are going to have a strong intermediate level set of skills, or these skills are increasingly in demand as described by the speakers that came before me. And these skills are going to support your research. They're going to open doors for remote work opportunities. They are going to enhance your day-to-day clinical practice. This program is specifically designed for dentists. It requires no prior technical background, as described earlier. It is very beginner friendly. The skills that you gain here will stay relevant throughout your career and can be applied across clinic, academia, research, and also digital dentistry. That's it from my end. And if you have any questions, you can drop them in the chat or you can message in the group and we will get back to you shortly. Thank you. I'll pass on to the next speaker. I think we have some messages in the chat. Let me see. ये जो हमारा कोर्स है ये हमने इस तरह डिज़ाइन किया है कि जो बेसिक लेवल पे चीज़ें हैं वो भी हम लोगों को सिखा सकें और एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू विल हैव इंटरमीडिएट लेवल स्किल्स बट इफ़ यू वांट टू हैव एन एक्सपर्ट लेवल स्किल उसमें भी वी हैव अ फ्यू मॉड्यूल्स जो इसका लेआउट होगा वी विल शेयर दैट इन द ग्रुप सो यू कैन हैव अ लुक ये जो हमारा सेशन है ये हाइब्रिड होगा ठीक है इट्स गोइंग टू बी ऑनलाइन एज वेल एज इन हाउस ऑब्वियसली वी प्रेफर जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स है वो इन हाउस आए क्योंकि अगर टूल्स यूज करते हो किसी को कोई डिफिकल्टी आ रही होती है तो इट्स इजियर टू हेल्प देम आउट व्हाइल दे आर इन डाइस एंड राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू बट यू कैन टेक द कोर्सेज ऑनलाइन ऑल्सो एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस ओके वी आर गोइंग टू शेयर ऑल द डिटेल्स इन द ग्रुप तो अगर किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन उसके बाद होता है तो फील फ्री टू आस्क थैंक यू
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I hope you can hear me. Let me first just briefly introduce myself. My name is Mohammed Rehan. I've done my master's in AI and autonomous system from NUST Islamabad. And currently I'm working as a perception algorithm engineer at Software Motion. Basically, we are working on perception technologies, which include self-driving technologies and other stuff. And I've joined basically AI Identify from the past 3, 4 months as head AI, and I'm leading the efforts to develop the technologies and the algorithms that we need to push through. So basically, we have a wonderful team of dentists, and I don't have slides, but I'm just going to briefly describe a few concepts regarding AI and what exactly we are trying to achieve and what is our ultimate goal. So in AI, basically, as we all know, there are two main technologies. One is the language based and the other is vision based. There's also an audio side to different algorithms, but that is not very much in limelight. So there are two main technologies right now. So you are all aware about the language models, as we all use ChatGPT in our daily usage and for different purposes, including our day-to-day jobs. But the vision side is not much discussed. Vision is mainly related to any technologies that has imaging or images related technologies, including video feeds and anything related to cameras. So, as you might have already guessed, in different medical fields, we have medical imaging related technologies. Similarly, in dentistry, we have X-rays. So, we have different types of modalities for that. We have OPGs, we have periapicals, CBCT scans, bite wing X-rays, and some other going into 3D intraoral scans too. So, given these types of different types of vision technologies, we are developing different kind of algorithms which can do diagnosis of different diseases given any image. Let's say a patient comes and we do the regular procedure, we take their x-ray, and instead of dentist diagnosing it, we're going to pass it through our system, and our system is going to be capable enough to diagnose it at a certain expertise, and our goal is to make it as expert as any dentist that has an expertise of, let's say, around a certain level and has experience in his or her field. So that's the ultimate goal that we are looking at. Me, myself, I'm looking at the tech side. Alongside me is Moaz, is also working on the tech side. And the team that we have, the wonderful dentists that we have, they are working on data annotations and also guiding us, since obviously this is not our domain and we are not exactly into dentistry, but the synergy that we are building together, obviously, we hope will achieve good and wonderful results. So this is just a brief introduction of AI Identify and what we are trying to do. Obviously, you do not need to get into the tech side too much, into the mathematics or the science of it. You just need to understand how the entire pipeline works, and obviously that will benefit in you in your professional career and hopefully prepare you for the future landscape. So that's it from my side. Thank you everyone for joining, and now I'll pass it over to Mr. Moaz, and he'll continue from here. Thank you. Yes. Hmm? First slide. Next. हाँ ये कर ले फर्स्ट ठीक है जी assalamualaikum everyone. So my name is Muaz Amjad, and I am the core facilitator of this 1 year PG diploma. So let me start with my introduction. So basically, I am working as a SLAM algorithm engineer in BYD. So let me tell you in layman terms what I am doing at BYD.